Sabi ko, "Mami, anong plano natin sa birthday ni Daddy?" Kasi syempre, 60th birthday. Tapos sabi niya,
Magpa-buffet lang, tapos mag-invite lang ng friends. Tapos sabi nila,
since 60 naman si Daddy, edi, mag-birthday party tayo sa Jollibee.
Weekend on the night, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. I know it'll be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing.
kasi nung kinoconceptualize namin, galing kami sa children's party. So parang nakita namin nag-enjoy siya doon. Since mahilig din naman siya sa Jollibee.
Si Mami, siya nag-coordinate sa mga high school friends, sa kina Berks, and then yung ibang friends pa ni Daddy, tsaka family members.
Sabi, children's party daw ng friend sa Zumba.
Tapos sabi ko, bakit sobrang gabi? Eh sabi, loaded daw ang naniwala naman ako.
Weekend on the night, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. I know it'll be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Weekend on the night, don't worry.
Napaka-discreet ng aming planning. So, tapos iniiwasan ko yung mga interactions niya sa mga iimbitahing namin.
Actually, madaming times at may mga nadulas na family members namin, tsaka friends. Na parang, akala ko ba sa Saturday yung ganyan. Ayun, buti hindi siya masyadong nakakahalata.
Saka ako, bakit si Chong? Tuloy-tuloy yung lakad. Sabi ko, bakit si Chong nandun? Wala na, tuloy-tuloy na. Pagpasok ko, ayun na, bulaga.
Weekend on the night, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry.
Pasalamat ako ng marami dahil na-surprise talaga ako dahil wala talagang idea. Parang pa din, September 4 pa din.
Weekend on the night, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing.
Yeah, on the rooftop, surrounded by the stars and the views high.
Daddy, alam ko, ito yung pinakahinihintay mo, maging dual citizen. This is it. Congratulations. And I pray that God may bless you more. And may you have good health and enjoy the perks of being a dual citizen.
Now that you're 60 years old, alam kong masusulitin mo yung time mo sa mall kasi free na yung parking mo at saka mas madami ka pang discount. And my only wish for you, of course, is good health and more blessings. And I hope na mapag-desisyonan mo na mag-retire because I want you to enjoy everything na nabili mo for yourself and, spend more time with us since laging 3 months, 4 months lang. And sana kapag napag-desisyonan mo na mag-retire, spend pa tayo ng more time and travel more.
Love, happy birthday! Ito na yung pinakahihintay mo na moment sa life mo kasi gusto mo na makakuha ng senior card para may discount tayo lagi sa parking and sa medicines. So, I just wish you good health always and good luck sa career pa rin kahit gusto mo pang sumakay or whatever you want to pursue pa, support kita and know that we're always here for you.
DJ, let the beat play, make a heat wave when you replay this. Tonight we gon' party like it's D-Day, young and free, saying it's the one on my CK shit. The moon is the light, the sky is the ceiling, low is the place.
Happy birthday, Daddy! Love you so much!
I love you. Mwah.
Weekend on the night, don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. I know it'll be alright. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing. Don't worry about a thing.
Surprise talaga ako.